Jason's mom drove at 100 kilometers per hour for a 160 kilometer trip. So how long did, right, it take to complete this trip? Okay, so I know that if I have 100 kilometers per 1 hour, I need to multiply the top, right, by 1.6 in order to get 160 kilometers. Okay, so that means I have to multiply the bottom by 1.6 too. So that means it would take exactly, right, 160 kilometers would take 1.6 hours, right, to complete. Now, if she were to instead drive at 90 kilometers per hour, okay, so 90 kilometers per 1 hour, what I have to do is I need to multiply this 90 by 16 over 9 to get exactly 160 kilometers. Okay, so this 16 over 9 is roughly 1.7, okay? Or we can round up to 1.8. Okay, so what I can say is this is going to be approximately 160 kilometers per 1.8 hours. Okay, so that means if she drove at this slower speed, right, it will take 1.8 hours minus 1.6 hours, which is 0.2 hours, right? It will take 0.2 hours longer if she drove at 90 kilometers per hour.